Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Trulieve. I've talked about them on the channel here a couple times. As you follow my channel, I talked about quite a few different MJ stocks here, and Trulieve is one of them. I talked about them a while back. It is over the counter, but this one has actually went down a little bit, about 50% in the last year, but it's not down like some of them. Again, over the past month, on up to 26, stays in that 26 range. Here in the last week, it's down a little bit, but still touching the $24 line there. And here's a look at today. So had a pretty decent day today, 24.41 on up to 25.42. So it looks like it went up $1. Bing is showing it as a buy with a 1-year price target of 65.20. And like I said, I've talked about this one a couple times. I'll go ahead and link that in the description, and that way you can watch that as well. Round up a campaign partnership with Trulieve to benefit veterans, and this is just stated yesterday. Trulieve and Harvest House of MJ dispensaries supported disabled veterans and their families with 2-month-long roundup at the register campaigns benefiting DAV, Disabled American Veterans. Through these campaigns, patients and customers of Trulieve and Harvest branded dispensaries donated more than $87,000 to DAV. Trulieve, a leading and top-performing MJ company in the United States, acquired Harvest Health and Recreation in October 2021. The combined companies are committed to supporting veterans, their families, and communities, both through the healing power of MJ and financial impact. So it's always good to see companies like this doing good, especially for veterans, and helping them out, and we'll just see what else they do in the future and days and weeks to come. The two campaigns occurred during patriotic holiday months, Independence Day in July and Veterans Day in November. More than 40 retail locations participated throughout Arizona, California, Florida, and Maryland. And moving on here to Yahoo Finance. This says a correction, so this is here today. In the release, Trulieve announces a grand opening of its affiliates. Philadelphia dispensary issued on January 7th of 2022 by Trulieve MJ Corp. over PR Newswire. We're advised by the company that the headline and first paragraph, first sentence should read, Affiliate Harvest of Southeast Philadelphia dispensary and through its affiliate. So, Trulieve, a leading top-performing MJ company in the United States today, announced the opening of a new Trulieve branded medical MJ dispensary through its affiliate, Harvest of South PA, the dispensary at 1222 Arch Street in Center City section of Philadelphia. So if you've been there in Philadelphia or PA, you can leave that in the comments, or if you've been to a Trulieve, period. So this location becomes the company's 160th owned, operated, or affiliated dispensary nationwide. Located in the heart of Philadelphia, between City Hall and Reading Terminal Market, the dispensary will be open Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. and on Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. We are proud to begin the New Year by demonstrating our ongoing commitment to serving Pennsylvania's patient community through high-quality and reliable medical MJ products. We look forward to welcoming patients and strengthening community connections in this cornerstone market. Additional Trulieve affiliated dispensaries in Pennsylvania are located in Camp Hill, Cranberry Township, Devon, Harrisburg, Johnstown, King of Prussia, Pittsburgh, Reading, Scranton, Washington, Whitehall, York, and Zielinopol. Zielinopol? I don't know. That's how I'm going to say it. To find a location or become registered patient, you can go to Trulieve.com. Trulieve is an industry leading vertically integrated MJ company and multi-state operator in the United States, operating in 11 states with leading market positions in Arizona, Florida, and Pennsylvania. Trulieve is poised for accelerated growth and expansion, building scale in retail and distribution in new and existing markets throughout its hub strategy. Trulieve is listed on the, I think this is supposed to be the Canadian Stock Exchange under the symbol, so yes, CSE, Trul, and trades on the OTCQX market under the symbol TCNNF. For more information, please visit Trulieve.com. So I would assume they're on their way to getting onto one of the major exchanges. We'll just have to wait and see. Here's their actual website. Cultivate Life. This goes over who we are, True MJ, True Community, True Advocacy. This goes over their brands, Cultivar Collection, Muse, Sweet Talk, there you go. That's always good for a Friday night. Craveable confections infused with a premium quality MJ. Open wide and get a taste of the delightful bites. You know you want some. Education, always good to have education. Get your medical card. Trulieve dispensaries, find a dispensary. So I'm just going to see how this works. California, Connecticut, wow, they're huge in Florida, Massachusetts, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Arizona, and Maryland. So overall, Trulieve now has 164 dispensaries. You can view all the locations there, but I would suggest going to their website for sure. But they are huge in Florida, so Trulieve 3-year total shareholders returns outpace the underlying earnings growth. And this is dated here today. So that's why I like this one. It seems like it's growing. They have a lot of locations and just really liking the looks of this one. Shareholders might be concerned after seeing the share price drop 17% in the last quarter, but that doesn't undermine the rather lovely long-term return. If you measure over the last 3 years, in fact, the share price is up a full 170% compared to 3 years ago, so the recent fall in share price should be viewed in the context. Only time will tell if there is still too much optimism currently reflected in the share price. In the light, the stock dropping 7.9% in the past week, we want to investigate the longer-term story, see if the fundamentals have been the driver of the company's positive 3-year return. And you can check out the latest analyst going there. Trulieve became profitable within the last 3 years. Given the importance of the milestone, it's not overly surprising that the share price has increased strongly. The image below shows how earnings per share have tracked over time, and if you click on the image, you can see greater detail. If we go back to September, earnings per share, so you can just see how it's just kind of rocketed up. Very nice. Valuation. I don't know how to get rid of this. Whoops. Shoot. I don't have a sign in, so we'll skip that, but that was kind of a cool website. Trulieve reaches milestone with opening of 160th U.S. store, continues support for military vets, so very cool. Opened another Trulieve dispensary in Pennsylvania. This time it's affiliate Sheminix Ventures, located at 1222 Arch Street in Center in PA. So this is saying the 160th owned, operated, and affiliate dispensary nationwide. So that is the same article. That's what I thought. So just a different view here. If you like Benzinga more, so just going to scroll through the rest of that information. It's basically the same thing we already started with at the beginning. Over here on Reddit, stock will go up 200% to $80 3 months ago. Navy Capital CEO shares his top MJ stock picks. Trulieve, and I don't know what this one is, GTBIF. Might have to look at that one. Over here on StockTwits, currently at 25.29, 52-week low of 23.10, high of 53.73. And here on MSN Money, this one is shown as a buy, so this one's always had great ratings every time I've looked at it. So unlike I believe Hexo and I can't remember on Sundial that I did earlier what their ratings were, but I think they were a sell. This one is showing a strong buy, so you don't see that too often. Currently at 25.29 with a 164% upside to 66.82, high of 106.21, and a low of 47.99. So even if you got to the low, you'd be doing some pretty good profit there. But if you have this one, go ahead and list it in the comments. Like I said, this one is over the counter, so you can't get it on Robinhood. I would try TD Ameritrade or Fidelity. Fidelity, the last time I bought on there, did not charge a commission. TD Ameritrade did, so if that makes a difference to you. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.